Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2018 24 Pro Dauntless. As you can see, the profile of the boat is absolutely gorgeous. It's got a low draft on it, so it'll take you into the backwaters, but it'll also take you out into the Gulf safely as well and comfortably. As part of the Pro package, we have a power pole, and we've got the Atlas jack, and then it's powered by the Mercury Verado, 350 horsepower, ton of horsepower, fast boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are up on the 24 Pro. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's got a couple of neat features. It's got the removable backrest, so if you want to fish, you can take this all out with two comfortable seats. Very large live well right here, so plenty of room for the bait in the back. Got a large Yeti cooler conveniently located right there as well. Nice helm seat. Plenty of room for a large GPS here. You get the digital throttle and shift, trim tabs. You get the you can drive from up top. That's why it's the Pro. And it's great. You have your same instruments up top. You can see, look for bait. You can look for fish. Great place to drive. Great visibility for driving the boat. You've got a pump-out head, good-sized pump-out head in here. And then up front, you've got a bench seat that is also a secondary live well. Fantastic. You get two different kinds of bait. Perfect. You got the recliners right here. So you've got plenty of comfortable room here. If you want to fish, you can take it all up, and it's all a big platform for fishing. So 24 Pro is a fantastic boat. It's in the backwaters, great shallow draft, deep water as well. So if you have any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.